Hi, I'm Timo from Peabot. Thanks for joining us for a bike fair event. In this video, we'll talk about the rules of the road. Here are the very basics. Ride on the right side of the road, follow all traffic signals or signs, use your hands to signal your turns, such as left, right, or another way to go right, and stopping and slowing. Use the signals when it's safe to do so. You're also controlling your bike with your hands. We talk about right-of-way, so at a traffic signal, obey the lights. Green, go, red, stop. Yellow means stop, unless you're actually already going through the intersection. At a two-way stop sign intersection, keep going if you don't have the stop sign. If you're coming from the direction that has a stop sign, stop and wait for traffic to clear. At a four-way stop sign intersection, the person who arrived first gets to go first. If more than one person arrives at the same time, the person on the right goes first. If two people arrive opposite each other, if one's going straight and the other turning, the person straight goes first. At an uncontrolled intersection, no stop sign, no signal, treat it like it's a four-way stop. But remember, other road users may not yield. Here are some activities you can do at the table. Have the kids, or adults, pick up a traffic sign. Tell you what they would do if they encounter these on the road. You can use the table map and the toy car, bike, and person. Set them up. Let the folks tell you what they would do. If they're arriving at a stop sign, what do they do? Where do they look? When do you get to go? If they're making a right turn or left turn, how do they set themselves up? What hand signal would they use? If two vehicles arrive at the same intersection at the same time, how do they do it? For a bike rider, also, how do you follow the ride on the right side of the road rule? For example, you could place a car as if it's parked there and figure out just where the bike should roll on that street. And you can also offer them a copy of Portland Biking Guide or the Safe Routes to School pamphlet, and they can take those home for further study. Thanks for watching, have a great time, and don't forget to give them a star on their passport when they're done.